I should have read the description. How is this not real? I don't understand. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a really exciting video. I've been waiting to film this for so long. I am so impatient. So basically, Wish reached out to me and said, hey, do you want some credit? And I was like,
of course I do. I absolutely love shopping at Wish.
And I bought some very interesting purchases and today I'm going to show you them. So if you haven't seen the title and you haven't already guessed, I bought 3 different designer dupe handbags from Wish and I am going to unbox them and show you them. I'm literally so excited. I'm looking at them right now. I have waited so long for these to arrive and basically they arrived and I'm going to show you them. And yeah, I basically just said that twice, so yeah, let's just start. If you know me, you will know that I have wanted a little Prada baguette bag. I'm not too sure what they are called. So I saw it on the app and I was like, you know what, that doesn't seem too fake. I'm going to get it.
Oh, no.
It's here. So it's literally just come in this plastic packaging.
You must be kidding me.
So it comes with some like tissue fluff thing. I don't want to turn this round because I've just seen what it says. I'm an idiot. I'm such an idiot. This is actually hilarious. Look what it says. Padre.
Doesn't that mean dad in Spanish?
I actually feel like I'm gonna cry with laughter. This is just so funny. Okay, let's just open it up and see what is inside. I'm guessing it's just the strap. Yeah, so says it again on the little pouch. So we've got the little pouch and we've also got the strap. So let's just attach it and see how it looks. I don't know if I'm doing this the right way round, but we're just gonna go with it anyway. I've definitely done it the wrong way around, but you know what, the fastening's actually quite secure, like they all feel very nice. So this is the bag assembled, let's say. You obviously have the proper bag bit and you have a little chain here and you have the pouch up here which is attached to the strap. You know what, it's not a bad dupe, but the fact that it says Padre instead of Prada, I don't know if I can wear it. If I wear it and you're really far away, you might not be able to tell, but the fact that it says dad, I don't know what you're going to do when people come up to you and
Oh my god, I love your bag. Where's it from?
Oh, just Padre gave it to me.
and they're like, what? You're like, yeah, Padre. I should have read the description. But it is actually a really nice quality bag. I think it's called neoprene, this style of fabric. It is really nice. It does have a couple of scratches just from where it's been in thingy. But overall, the detail is very, very meticulous. I'm gonna say it's like the medallion bit. Like it's actually finished really, really nicely. And the zips are fully functional, which I always look for in a bag. You know what? As a bag, I don't hate it. I will probably still wear it out, but just don't come too close if I'm wearing this. Okay, my camera battery died, but we are back. And let's move on to the second bag, which is a Louis Vuitton. It came in this plastic bag, but it's also wrapped in a dust bag, which is questionable. This is the little bag. She is really cute. Questionable how real it looks, but from afar still looks like a Louis Vuitton bag. Am I right? It has the monogram on the zip and it just opens up and inside it is red and stripy, and then it also comes with a little strap which also has very, very good details. To be fair, you cannot fault the details, like it is so well thought out. And I'm guessing the strap just attaches to the side like this, and then you have a little fake key thing. Does it actually have a key inside? So it's literally just a bit of the fabric. Usually they have a key inside and that's like the selling point. It is monogrammed with the Louis Vuitton logo and it does look very real. To be fair, made in France. I don't know how true that is, but we move. I don't know where this goes, to be honest. I'm gonna just put it on there just for the moment. This is not going well, is it? I'm just putting that on there. You know what? Once she is less squashed, she isn't that ugly, to be honest. Like, this could pass off as a Louis Vuitton bag. I would know no different. It has the little studs on the bottom as well, and it's just the classic monogram print that is very famous with an LV. I think this is their new logo. They changed this logo a couple years ago, and yeah, I can't wait to see how many people think this is real. Okay, I have definitely saved the best till last, because look at this. I mean, come on, this bag is definitely my favourite out of the three, probably because it looks the most real, but also because I love the style of bag anyway. Another dust bag. Okay, we're doing well. Let's open this up. Oh my goodness, it comes with designer details. Like, you know, you get the, I want to say, authentication documents. This looks like them. What? It's made in Hong Kong. This is actually mad. It has like all the Louis Vuitton details on it as well. I'm so confused. Is this bag real or is this a dupe? You see all them details? Like, that actually looks real. What is going on right now? Have I just got a real Louis Vuitton bag for the price of a Wish bag? She is
beautiful.
This is the Louis Vuitton mini pochette, I want to call it. And basically it's the one with all of the, oh, it comes inside. So basically, it's this bag, plus this bag, plus this bag. I went for the pink strap because I thought I would wear pink the most. So let's just attach it all. Now, this just looks too real. I just don't understand how this is a fake. What? No, I'm actually shocked that this looks so real. What? So this is the bag assembled. It is the same monogram as the last one, and if I just come in closer you can see the details. The finishing is absolutely spot on. If I saw someone with this on the street, there is absolutely no way that I could tell if this was real or fake. The zips are a bit stiff, but that is absolutely fine. The actual bag comes with 2 wallets, and you also have the little coin purse attached to the strap. What I absolutely love about this bag is that you can wear it separately. Like, you can wear it just as these two, you can wear it just with the strap, and one of the little pouches you could take just the coin purse and pop the coin purse in another bag, or you could use this little chain for a more sophisticated look. I actually can't get over this. I'm actually in shock. How is this not real? I don't understand. Like, even inside it has the little embossed leather details. It smells like real leather. My brain is so confused right now, and I am not mad about it. The same with this other zip as well. It is quite stubborn. I'm actually treating this like a real Louis Vuitton bag. I'm actually in shock. When I posted this on my Instagram, so many people thought that it was real. And honey, don't you worry, I can get it for you from Wish at not even a quarter of the price, and you still look as bad AF. So this is it on. Honestly, I can't believe it. I like the little coin purse. Handy, considering I don't carry cash anymore. If you need me, I'm going to have to be removed from this bag. I'm going to wear this bag every single day and no one can stop me. Is it possible to be in love with a bag? Shocked and not disappointed for once. This is an amazing feeling. I'm just going to do the outro with this on because I absolutely love it and it's going to become part of me. So if you did like this video, I will leave the links to all of the bags that I bought in the description. I think you just have to do a lot of digging. It took me quite a while to find this specific bag, so I will leave all the tips that I have down below and all of the shipping times and everything like that. So if you did like this video, give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe. If you want me to try anything else from Wish, let me know down below because I am more than happy to try it out and be your little guinea pig. So yeah, keep your eyes peeled for this on Instagram, and if you see me with this bag, make sure you comment that you've seen the real story on YouTube. Thank you for watching if you did make it through this far. I'm absolutely in shock. I will definitely be having a look later on to see if I can find some more absolute gems. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye! Shock.